Hey traders, on June 27th I caught a clean long setup on both Nasdaq and the S&P and locked in a solid $250 profit. In today's recap, I'll break down exactly why I entered, how I managed the trades, and what I saw that made the setup high probability. If you're new here, I'm taking a $500 live brokerage account and trying to scale it up to $10,000 trading futures live. No fluff, no hindsight. This trade was streamed in real time and it started right here. Going into this trade, we were noticing the price before the open, basically taking this sell side liquidity together with these two relative equal lows while trading inside a half portion of the Asian range, almost touching the mid of the Asian range. If you don't know what the Asian range is, it's basically the price traded from 8 o'clock the previous day until midnight. And here we were noticing the price almost reaching 684.25, which is almost perfection. And we just noticed this huge rejection, which led us to know that our job here is done in seeking liquidity to the sell side. Let's move to the buy side because we were having this inefficiency here together with this CB and these two relative equal highs over here. That was our intention as we were watching the price action. However, we did not enter until 9:40 or 9:45 because we just wanted a confirmation that this CB will turn into an inversion fair value gap. Looking on the 1 minute, we were having the first presentation fair value gap being respective after sweeping these lows and one fair value gap in front of a BC, which is a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, and an inversion fair value gap on the 1 minute and as well on the 5 minute. Given everything that I just related to you here and given the fact that the body started to respect the half portion of this inversion fair value gap, we decided to just buy this candle over here at 9:38. That's a bit soon. However, at the same time, I was noticing that we left these relative equal highs, which is a triple top, together with these two and ultimately the high of the day. Our intention was to seek the high of the day. Meanwhile, we knew that we had a lot of liquidity above the all-time highs, which was very close at 869. We did not reach out throughout that day. However, our incentive was to only attack this previous high, the daily high. Now, let's move to the actual live footage and we can talk some more there. If you want to catch these trades as they happen, I stream every day at 9:30 a.m. New York time. Let's get started. Let's consider this buy, profit target here. Basically, I'm buying this inversion fair value gap and the first presentation fair value gap as well. If we have a fair value gap higher, I will consider adding. If this candle is going to close green, I'm going to add another one and I'm going to move my stop loss below this low. However, we need to wait a bit because the price is not ideal right now. Let's place our stop loss here. I like this buy actually better on ES. I'm not risking a lot with two contracts. Let's see if that works. Like this. In these market conditions, to be honest, I like trading Nasdaq, ES better. Yeah, if we broke above here, I'm gonna add some more on ES. Nasdaq is a bit too uncertain. There's something I don't like about the Nasdaq, so I'm thinking about closing it and just trading ES. I just want to wait for this 5 minute on the 1 minute candle as well. We have 10 o'clock news as well. I don't want to be caught on the Nasdaq at 10 o'clock. We want to see speed. We want to attack these relative equal highs over here first. With speed, we move to break even. I want to manage my ES trade a bit. Moving a bit the stop loss. This high is very important. We need to run through both of them. Minimizing my risk just in case we have a sharp movement lower. I want for this inversion fair value gap basically to support my thesis. On ES we're doing great, so ES is already halfway there since we placed our position. Meanwhile, Nasdaq is just playing with us. Just so you understand. Yeah, yes, it's just going. As you can see, if you can look at my profit here, I'm plus $80. There you go. Let's move to break even. Free trade over here. ES almost took the 830 high. It took the 830 high actually. We're gonna see speed coming on Nasdaq. Once we take these two relative equal highs, I'm moving to break even the Nasdaq. We're 3 pips away from our target on ES. There you go. Look at this beautiful. ES is running. Moving our stop loss. Build on ES. Nasdaq is lazy. We're out. Throw $200, $213. Kind of regret I did not keep the ES open. ES is running, like running. Beautiful setup on ES. We should have just added more here. Just it's amazing fair value gap. After we sweep the lows, you buy here and you keep some here, and also for the all-time highs. It's just amazing. Amazing. That's the full breakdown. Would you have taken this trade? Let me know in the comments below. What would you have done differently? And if you want to catch these trades live, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. I stream every day at 9:30 AM New York time. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.